Prospect is an engineering solutions provider. We cover global clients from Houston, Singapore, 2 offices in the UK. We provide solutions to all clients, large, small, with their varied issues and varied challenges. The challenges that we face from clients are varied in terms of we have subsea equipment, we have surface equipment. It's not just oil and gas and energy, it's industry-wide through many industries as well. Challenges such as knowledge of how a system will react. So we need to design something. So we help provide the materials advice, the design advice, right down to the angles of the corners on the pipes, etc. You know. At the other end of the spectrum, we have the after event issues. The event may have happened, and something, maybe a piece of equipment needs to be lifted, needs to be righted, or something else needs to be installed. So if there happens to be no process or no procedure in place to allow the client to do this, we can help them design the process or the procedure in the safest way. Simulation is very important to Prospect because it's the core of what we do. We provide solutions, which means understanding the challenge, the problem. To understand the problem, we need to be able to picture it and model it and analyse it. And to do that, we need to simulate the challenge that the client faces. And we find one of the very best ways to do that is using Ansys. Ansys was chosen because of its accessibility, the trust, the reputation that was there already. And as time went on, as the company was growing, the need for us to know more and more often became apparent. We needed technical support from Ansys. You know, we're the solution provider. However, we needed solutions to our challenges as well. Ansys provided them. Our engineers are experienced, but sometimes you come across something that you maybe haven't seen before. So we pick up the phone and yeah, we get the answers. The client will come to us with a challenge, with a need for some solutions. We as a company have to decide, how do we solve this? So along with the experience and the knowledge that we have internally, we need tools like Ansys. We have to look at the problem first and understand the problem before we can provide a solution. So with the client we work together and understand the problem, but more often than not we'll choose Ansys because of the diverse abilities. Value to Prospect for that reason is again immeasurable because it means that we can provide solutions to, I would like to say, any problem. And I think I'm going to say that we can provide solutions to any problem. However, we can only do it with the help of our Ansys partners. So, like I say, it's immeasurable. It can mean a project worth £1,000. It can mean a project worth £1 million. The value remains the same because it means our reputation remains untainted. We provide the best solution with the most technically advanced equipment and tools, and the client receives a long-term solution. It may be a solution for today, but the effect of that will continue long-term. Ansys is our lifeblood in terms of running our business. Without these software packages and these analysis techniques and best practices, we wouldn't have a business.